Hello, and I'm going to explain how you can create a Linux Mint install USB stick on Windows using Rufus so that you can install Linux Mint on an actual computer. You will need an empty 8GB or larger USB stick, so basically one that you haven't got any files on, or at least one that you don't mind the files being erased off. So if you do need those files, back them up. Windows 10 or later computer or laptop with a USB port for your USB stick, and a broadband internet connection to download the ISO for Linux Mint. So once you have those, head over to the internet and go to linuxmint.com. Click on the download link. I'm going to be installing or creating an install for the Cinnamon Edition Edge, which is a more recent version of the Linux kernel, just supports more recent hardware. So click download, and then you can either use a torrent if you've got a BitTorrent client, or you can download from a mirror near you. I've already got this ISO, so I don't need to download that. You will also need a copy of Rufus, so if you go to rufus.ie/en if you speak English, and then click on the download Rufus, whichever version is latest at the moment is 4.4. Portable version's fine as well, whichever one's appropriate for your system, but probably this one. So once you've got that, open up Rufus, and you will need to insert your USB stick into the computer. There we go. So this one's currently got Debian on. I'm going to erase it and put Linux Mint. So you then click this select button and browse to where your ISO's stored. So I want a copy of Linux Mint. There's the Edge one there. So it'll then scan your ISO, make sure it's okay, accept the defaults, that should work fine, and click Start. I'm going to use ISO mode. It's just warning me that it will erase everything that's currently on this USB stick. That's fine. And then reformat it and start copying the files over. This can take quite a while depending on the speed of the USB stick, so I'm going to speed this up for you in the edit. And there you have it. That's your install USB stick created. Thanks for watching.